James and Tom were friends who grew up together. They both knew that they needed to start thinking about the future. At age 19, James decided to invest $2,000 every year for 8 years. He picked investment funds that averaged a 12% interest rate. Then, at age 26, James stopped putting money into his investments, so he put a total of $16,000 into his investment funds. Now, Tom didn't start investing until age 27. Just like James, he put $2,000 into his investment funds every year until he turned 65. He got the same 12% interest rate as James, but he invested 23 more years than James did. So Tom invested a total of $78,000 over 39 years. When both James and Tom turned 65, they decided to compare their investment accounts. Who do you think had more? James, with his total of $16,000 invested over 8 years, or Tom, who invested $78,000 over 39 years? Believe it or not, James came out ahead, $700,000 ahead. Tom had a total of $1,532,166, while James had a total of $2,288,996. How did he do it? Starting early is the key. He put in less money but started 8 years earlier. That's compound interest for you. It turned $16,000 into almost $2.3 million. Since James invested earlier, the interest kicked in sooner.